Hi, I'm Jerry Verdun, and I'm going to save your life. The CDC recommends that you wear a mask now going outside, and if you're as tired of being cooped up as my wife and I are, then you're ready for this. The underwear mask. That's right, you all have them in your drawer, so here's how it works. Don't try this with boxers. It has to be the tight, stringent kind, like mine. So take your favorite pair of underwear. Mine happened to be this one. Actually, it's my wife's favorite. Put it over your head. It's a perfect seal. Tuck the rest of it in your shirt. Nothing gets in or out. Doesn't move. Your ears are warm or not. It's perfect. Problem solved. America. Launder right into the laundry machine. Don't touch it after that. Sanitize your hands. You're on with your day. You're welcome.